Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel Crypto Sutram, your go-to spot for clear, no-nonsense updates on crypto and market moves. Today we're taking a closer look at Dogecoin's wild ride over the weekend. After a dramatic sell-off, Doge made a sharp comeback, and traders everywhere are watching closely to see what happens next. So here's what went down. Over the weekend, Dogecoin took a big hit, sliding to a low of about 14 cents, $0.143 to be exact. But then, it bounced back hard, climbing above $0.153. What really stood out was the trading volume. It shot up to more than 5 times the daily average. That's a major signal, showing strong buyer interest right at those key support levels, and pointing to a possible shift in momentum, even as broader markets stay pretty unsettled. Let's put that into context. Across the board, digital assets have been under pressure from global uncertainty. Geopolitical tensions, trade disputes between major economies, all of that has added to the volatility. And on top of that, we've got inflation concerns and ongoing scrutiny of the Fed's monetary policy weighing on sentiment. But here's what makes Dogecoin's move so interesting. Despite all that selling pressure, Doge managed to turn higher. Analysts say support around $0.145 was critical. That's where strong volume-backed buying seems to have flipped the trend. And even though Dogecoin's known as a high beta asset, this bounce suggests its market structure is holding up, especially compared to how other altcoins have been struggling. Dogecoin moved through a 9.1% swing in just 24 hours, fallen from $0.157 down to $0.143, then climbing back near $0.153. The heaviest selling hit during hours 13 and 14, when volume spiked to more than 5 times the average, and a solid floor formed at $0.145. Then came the recovery. In the final trading hour, Doge jumped from $0.152 to $0.153, breaking past resistance at $0.15342 just after 4:58. A fresh volume surge, over 10 million at 0511, confirmed that buyers were stepping up. Right now, Doge is holding above $0.152, with its next targets in the $0.155 to $0.158 zone. And that $0.145 level, still the key support to watch. We'll be watching Dogecoin's next moves closely. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next in crypto. Thanks for watching, and see ye in the next video.